Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If it's your first time here, my name's Hiuy and I have an Instagram and YouTube, Beauty by Hiuy. Make sure you subscribe, give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and head over to my Instagram and chat to me there. Today's video will be a bunch of swatches and kind of first impressions about a brand called DB Cosmetics, which I have an intro video to, and I'll be going through all the different types of lip colors and lipsticks and things that they sent me. There's quite a few different types, and so we'll go through each one, and I think I'll probably maybe apply one or two of them and kind of give you my first impressions about them, but make sure you check out my Instagram for more. So they sent like quite a big range of products out. They sent me two kind of lip prep or lip boosting products. So one of them is a lip booster, like a lip plumper, and I probably won't use this today because I think that would change my impression of the lipstick products. I will, however, use this lip elixir nourishing treatment under the lipstick, so yeah, will be interesting to see how that one goes. The other, they sent me three types of lipsticks. One is like a color sticks, which is like a color crayon. Okay, and then another is just a normal kind of bullet lipstick, and the third one is a lip stain. So I think we'll go through all the lip stains first. There are heaps and heaps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lip stains in very, very bold colors. Kind of really nice for winter coming through in Australia, because it means that you can kind of dress up on a gloomy day anyway. So how about we start with these reds, and I'm gonna have stuff all over my arm. It's the first time that I'm doing a video like this, so make sure if you do enjoy it, let me know. I get, like, when I ever ask for feedback on videos, people always want swatches. Okay, so I thought I opened all the packaging, but it seems like I haven't. So I'm gonna open this packaging, and there's so much plastic. I imagine it's because they're sold in kind of like pharmacies and stuff like that. So they just want to make sure that the product is very clear that it hasn't been used. So they've got like all this plastic packaging. All right, so these are lip stains. They're supposed to be long lasting. All their products are cruelty free and vegan. I'm not sure from the instructions. It doesn't say anything about like there's not a whole lot of instructions, I should say, but they do say that they're long lasting. So this is the color Rose to Riches, and there's this beautiful kind of plastic packaging, very, very nice pink that says lip lock on it, which is kind of what this range is about. Ooh, I don't know if it's meant to be bent. Let me open another one and see. Oh, I don't know if they were meant to be like that. Interesting. So when I open it on first impression, yes, there's this bent applicator. Maybe it's meant to be on purpose. And it actually looks quite like, there's like a gloss to it. That's really, really strange. Let's swatch that. Oh, wow. It's very creamy. Like, it's not creamy, but glossy. Can you guys see that? It's quite glossy. See how that dries down, but actually I'm really liking that color. Interesting. Very, very bright. They're these three kind of similar, very similar reds. So the one I put on is more kind of that pinky red. Let's try this coral. This is Orange Elegance. So yeah, again, a little bit bent, and we'll go right there. So nice. This is like, yeah, straight up coral. You can see that. Takes a while to dry down. Like that first one's not even dried down yet. Beautiful kind of. Yeah, I really like how this one looks, actually. I'm really surprised by that. This one is a Grand Cherry. Yeah, again, a little bit bent. They look like glosses. It's so strange. Oh, I love that. That's so pretty. Oh, that's really, really nice. Yeah, that first one still hasn't dried down. I don't know. Lip stains are always really hard because like it's probably best to apply with a brush because like you can see that there's uneven kind of textures otherwise. So that's how I normally apply lip stains. I might swatch all of them and then I don't know if I want to try this or I went into this wanting to try the color sticks. So these are the 3 kind of more bold colors. We'll keep with the theme and we'll go with this Queen of Hearts, which is like a maroony red. Yeah, they're all bent. They maybe, I'm assuming they're meant to be like that. Let's try that. Oh, I like that one. Okay, so they're more, all of these are way more wearable than I thought that they would be looking from the outside. Like they're not as bold. And I've just kind of, just gonna wipe that down. Oh, sugar. Trying to make them pretty and I end up smudging this one. Oops. Let's go in with this purple Plum Princess. I was like obsessed with this color when I was like 21 to like 23 and I never wear these colors anymore, but actually I'm loving how they look. Oh, okay. I don't mind that at all. It's beautiful. Can you guys see that? They look like watercolors. They don't feel drying on my hand, but obviously it's different on lips. And this last one is brown. Again, I was also obsessed with these type of colors as well. This is called Royal Blush. Interesting because it's not a blush pink at all. Maybe I'll put this one here. It's really weird how, that's so watery, it's so weird. Wait, I'm gonna try it over here. It's very watery. Oh. You know what, I'm gonna put one of these on. I'm gonna apply this one whilst I swatch the others and then I can take it off and try another one. So I'll put on this lip elixir treatment first. No, I already see my lips are like a bit dry. And then nose dry as well. Do you see what I mean? Like it's uneven with lip stains. Such an interesting texture. Tastes funny. They're actually not drying at all. I reckon they'll take a while to dry up actually. Even, what was this? The red one was the first one I tried on. And it's still that wet patch there. Alright, whilst those are drying out. Oh, actually. Interesting. I'm just touching to see if they're sticky. So whilst they're drying out, let's move on to the bullet lipsticks. I think I have 4. These, they've got like the moisturizing types, but this is just a long wear. I don't know what that means because hopefully long wear ones are also moisturizing. Like that's what I would normally prefer. So I've got 4 colors here. So we'll stick with theme. We'll start with this poppy color. They just come with this kind of cube, very light packaging. They're a little bit big, so they're probably not the most convenient for handbags. Let's try. Oh, very creamy. Matte, definitely a matte finish. 100% a matte finish. We'll go with this one. This is red wine. Did I tell you guys what that color was? Orange poppy, I think I did. This is a red wine, so again a purple, kind of like that. And I think I'm gonna go here with that one. Okay. So nothing like super special about these colors. However, these nudes I'm kind of into. Let's have a look at this one. This is a nude cocoa. I really like the name. Oh, just a nice brown. See how it compares. Let's go. Oh, very very nude. They feel very moisturizing. Okay, how's this lip stain going? Still like a glossy look. I'm a fan of this color. And this is their, what's this one? Their Velvet Rose. So I'm gonna, maybe I'll do a side by side. What's my other one? So it's like, I feel like it's like Whirl and Velvet Teddy. Is that where we're going with this, guys? Like from MAC. Oh, that is so pretty. Oh, that's definitely like Velvet Teddy, that one there. Just how I imagined these two. Really loving those. So this is like still not dried down. I'm just gonna have kind of like a lip remover ready. Yes, very strange. Not how most lip stains behave. So this is very weird. Alright, whilst that is going, I've got these two left here. These are the colour sticks. Just going to peel that off. We've got a, what colour is this actually? Skinny latte. Oh, there's a sharpener. What? Skinny latte and made for mauve. Mauve. There's a sharpener. So it's just how it comes. It's like this pencil and it's on one side like that. It's just like crayon. And there's a sharpener. That is crazy. Wow, I totally wouldn't have seen it. Sometimes people don't even write down like the instructions. So I'm gonna swatch these. I'm gonna maybe put them up here. Oh my god, that is so creamy. Oh, I don't have anything like this. When I saw them, I knew I had to kind of reach out and go, I really want to try these. Oh my god, that is amazing. These are the ones I actually wanted to try on, so I'm gonna take this off because, yeah, I don't know about this one because I like kind of matte, either matte or like a glossy finish, like not that in between, and it's just, it's not really working for me. It's not drying though, so that's a plus. Because sometimes more affordable lipsticks are quite drying. Okay. Alright. So I'm not going to use a lip primer, but I might just put a bit of gloss because a bit of lip balm because they are crayons. So let's go in with the Made for Mauve. They say, I don't even know, good right side. Oh my god, I love it. Oh, that is amazing. Oh, they smell so good as well. These are so good for like your handbag. Pop them in my work pocket like a pen. Oh, I love it. Look how big my lips look as well. Oh, love. Ah! I think these are only like $11 as well. So there you go, guys. That's all the swatches here. Yeah, head over to my Instagram because I'll be reviewing different shades and stuff. They're definitely not as crazy colored as I thought they'd be. So yeah, I think I was wondering what I was going to do with all the colors, but I think I'll actually use all of them. So yeah, if you've enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up or give it a thumbs up. Yeah, thumbs up. I was like, give it a like, thumbs up. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and yeah, stay tuned for more. See you guys.